So the types of covalent bonds on the basis of polarity. There are two types of covalent bond. One is non-polar covalent bond and other polar covalent bond. What polarity is? Polarity of a covalent bond is defined by any difference in electronegativity the two atoms participating. On this basis, covalent bond has two types, polar and non-polar covalent bond. First discuss about polar covalent bond. So the polar bond is the bond between two atoms having different electronegativities. If the atoms forming a bond have different electronegativities, like this HCl, the bonding pair is shared unequally. The more electronegative atom acquires a greater share of bonding electron. Like look at this example HCl. So here you may see the more electronegative atom acquires a greater share of bonding share of the bonding electron as compared to the less electronegative atom. Due to this, the more electronegative atom acquires partial negative charge and less electronegative atom acquires the partial positive charge. So these charges are of equal magnitude, so they overall charge is 0. So we may call such bond is as polar bond since it has negative and positive poles. So the polar bond is the bond between two atoms having different electronegativities. In this case, like HF, hydrofluoric acid. So here the more electronegative atom, fluorine is more electronegative than this hydrogen. Thus the bonding pair of electron is shared unequally, and chlorine, this fluorine has greater share of electron than that of hydrogen. As a result, this fluorine is partially negatively charged and hydrogen partially positive charge. Similar is the case, and you can take more examples of polar bond like HBr and water. So in these polar covalent bonds, we have the greater difference in electron negativities of the two atoms forming a bond. The more polar is the bond, the greater are the charges on the atom. So now the non-polar covalent bond. Um, in non-polar covalent bonds, if the two bonded atoms have equal electronegativities, then the bonding electrons pair will be shared equally between the two atoms. So, or the electron density of the bonding electron pair is distributed equally and symmetrically between two atoms. Such bond is called known as your non-polar bond. So the bond between two atoms having equal electronegativities is the non-polar bond. For example, you have oxygen molecule, chlorine molecule, Cl2, O2, N2. These all are having the non-polar bond characteristics. So CH4, this CH4, which is again covalent bond, this carbon to hydrogen, because of the small difference in the electronegativity, they are almost equal. This is the non-polar covalent bond. Here we have another example, that is benzene. Benzene, again, this is the organic compound, aromatic compound, and in which all bonding pairs are equally shared. So their electron pair, bonding pair of electrons are equally shared, and such molecule we call them non-polar covalent bond. Now let us see some examples like water. This water is polar covalent bond because oxygen is most electronegative as compared to hydrogen, giving its band structure. And this one is your polar bond, polar covalent bond. This ethane is your non-polar bond. C. This one is your methane, which is your CH4, and this is again non-polar bond. Here carbon dioxide, where the two different atoms who are having different electronegativities. So they are, this example is also a polar covalent bond. So classification of bonds, you can determine the types of bond between the two atoms by calculating the difference in electronegativities value between the elements. Okay, now if there is electronegativity difference, look, 0 to zero point 0.4, such bonds are non-polar covalent bonds, and if it is greater than zero point 0.4, means 0.5 to 1.9, they are polar covalent bond, and higher to this number means 2.0 and so on, so that is your ionic bond. So that is all about the types of bond, types of, particularly types of covalent bond on the basis of polarity. I hope you you got it. Thank you.